You're welcome to Great Mastermind Builder Solution Center. In this video, we're looking at how to solve indices with Casio FX991ES Plus. As we look at this video, I want you to know that this calculator can solve quite a lot of indices problem, but unfortunately it can't solve everything. So we're advising you, as you look at the video, you should also watch our other videos where we solve indices practically without calculator. But in this video, we want to teach you how to use calculator to solve for ease. And also, I want you to know that when you're using this calculator, you need to clear or reset the calculator. Why are you doing that? So that if there is a stored information in the calculator, it will be removed so that it will not affect the product of your answers. Okay, now I'm going to press shift. I'm going to press button 9, which is clear, and then I'm going to have in the calculator alpha 9, shift 9, you see, and I have clear calculator. Then I'll press 3. Okay, I'll press is equals to, and I'll press AC. Now I've cleared the calculator. Now what I'm going to do is to solve the first question. The first question says 9 exponential 2x. So I'm going to write 2, I'm going to press alpha, and I'm going to press x. Just what I saw on the screen is what I'm going to put in, and I'll move my cursor down here because my cursor is in the exponential place. Now I want to now put the equals to. It's going to be alpha equals to, and then 1 over 3. Then I'm going to press my fraction button, and then I'm going to bring in 1 divided by 3. Then I'm going to open a bracket from the question I'm seeing on the screen, and then I'm going to put 27 inside the bracket. Then I'm going to press alpha, and then x. That's x is an exponential, so I'm going to press exponential first, and then I'll press alpha, then I'll press x, and then I'll bring back my button, my cursor, and then I'll cover my bracket. Then I'm told to look for x. So how do I look for x? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to press shift, and I'm going to press calculate. Now I'm told to solve for x. I'm going to make the value of my x to be 0. So I'm pressing 0, and I wait for my answer. It will take a little time, but the answer will pop up very shortly. Just wait a little. Okay, the answer is here. The answer is -1. And you can see option D is -1. Then we have the next question. It says, it's in a fraction form. It says 3x raised to the power of 3. So I press 3, and I press alpha, and then I'll press x. Well, am I correct? Yeah, 3x raised to the power of 3. And then I'm bringing up the exponential, and I'm putting 3 now, and then I'll bring down my cursor to press, open a bracket, and press 3, just as I have in that question, and I press alpha x, and then I'm going to close my bracket, and then I'm raising it to the power of 3. Okay, now in this case there is no find x. It's just a straightforward calculation problem. So we're not going to look for s. We're not going to be pressing shift calculate. We're going to go straight to the answer and press is equals to. So you can see that the answer is 1 over 9. So 1 over 9 is option C. So we'll go to the next one. Okay, this one is even JAMB question, but you know, in JAMB you're not going to be using this calculator anyway. Okay, now we know that we have a fraction button, and then we have 4 raised to the power, that's exponential, alpha x plus 3, that's what we have there. And then I use my button, my direction arrow, to bring my button down to the denominator. Okay, I need my button to be at the denominator, so let's move. Okay, I've gotten it now. So I have 16, and then raised to the power of 2 alpha x. Are you seeing that now? Minus 3. Then I'll use my button, I'll use my arrow key, is equals to 1. Then it's alpha is equals to 1. So they asked me to look for x. So what I'm going to do is that I'll press shift calculate for x. Always make x your make the value of x 0 for convenience sake, and then my answer will soon pop up. We're going to wait for it. It will come. Let's wait a little. And if you have made it to this point in this video, please remember to subscribe so that you can view. The answer is here now. The answer is answer number 3. Okay, look at the option. Option D is the answer. So we go to the last one now. Okay, in the last one we have open a bracket. We have 2 alpha x, and then we have plus 3. We close the bracket, raised to the power of 3, and then we're going to press alpha is equals to, do it again, alpha is equals to, and then we're going to press 125 there. Okay, are we asked to, okay, we're asked to find the value of x. So what I'm going to do is shift calculate. Remember I told you always make it 0. So we wait for our answer. Answer is 1, and the option is 1 there. So if I've made it to this point in this video, don't forget to subscribe so you can be able to view our other videos. I want to give it as a point of instruction again. Please learn how to solve this thing practically. I was just using a calculator to show you that it could also be solved by your calculator, but mainly learn how to solve it practically. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time, and God bless you.